Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to work with the server. We just finished the authentication app and the front end is working. So now let's start with the backend for the server. Okay, let's just open our Python terminal here. Just stop that. And we're going to start a new app. Admin start app. I'm gonna call this one server. Oh, we already created server. Okay, so yeah, so we have server here. So let's just jump to server and then. So yeah, remember we created server and then we started. Okay, so let's create a new model. Let's call this server. This stands for models. Okay. The first field will be ID, and ID will be models that UUID field. UUID field, and then primary key will be true. And the default will be first we need to import it. Let's just import UUID, just like that. So here for default we put UID dot UID4, just like that. Editable false. Okay. We're going to have a picture, and the picture will be models that image field upload to, and let's create a function here. This one, let's call it server directory path. This one can be the picture. Right? This one's instant and file name. So just like we did here in the authentication app, the user, like here we have that. Just this. We're going to do the same thing. You guys, we can just like copy this if you want. Just copy that. Let's just place it here. Okay. Also, we need to import. Sorry, from Django import settings, just to get the settings, and we need to import us too. Okay, just like that. Also, let's import from Django.country.auth models. Let's import the user. Okay, so here file will be uploaded to meta server. So we're going to change the let's change the name of the function here. So go to server directory path banner. Let's copy this one, and this one will be the picture, just like that. Banner, pick name, user, and then here, actually, let me add server, and then here, I'm gonna add one. Format, insert user ID, comma, instance.id. Okay, we'll path, banner pick name. Okay, this one should be good. Also here, let's add server underscore one. This one should be the picture. And JPG is like that, and then here we add the ID of the server. Okay. For you guys that are not familiar with this function, basically this function creates a directory under this path user with the user ID, and inside this folder we're going to have a server. If the user has a server with an ID, and we're going to save this file here. So every time we just update the picture, we just we override this file here. So we don't have like a bunch of like picture files just for that. This one, let's rename it. Let's picture underscore big name. Then here we just pass that picture big name, and here that. Okay. Make sure to make these changes, and I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now let's jump to here, upload to, and now we just copy this function here, we just paste it here, and then null will be false. Okay. So yeah, just like that. Oops, sorry. Okay, null is false. Okay, that's for picture. We can just copy this one, paste it here, banner, path banner, paste it here. That's for the banner. Now let's have a title, mothers.chart field. Let's put a mask length of 25. Now this description, bio, whatever. Chart field, mask length of false. Okay. Got description, let's add date, models, date, time field, and then here they just auto now add and then the user, of course, foreign key user, and then on delete models that cascade, I just put a related name of server owner. Okay, we got the user. Now let's put the members. So members, we can just models that many to many field user. Here we can put related name of server members. That's the members. Now the moderators. Same thing. So we got the moderators. Now let's add categories. Categories will be kind of like the categories for the server. We don't have that. Let's just create a new model here. Let's call it category. Models. Okay. So in category, we're going to have a title. And just copy this one. We're gonna have a title, and we're going to have test channels, and the test channels will be many to many field. We don't have that. Let's get it here. So class test channels models, that model. You can just put a test channel if you want. So we're gonna have a title. 25 should be fine. And in here we can have a topic. I'm gonna add like a little description, field topic, and that will be math length of 50. And yep. Here, screen here, self. Then here we're going to return self title. Let's copy this one. Fix it here too for the category. This check function here. Okay, so this will be a many to many field of test channels, because we want to basically a category for the channels, and then inside that category add multiple channels. For example, like I don't know, let's say you have a category for movies, right? And then here you have like different channels, like one for drama, where we're only going to speak drama in that channel, and etc. That makes sense. Okay, so now we have the category and the test channel. So here, the bottom, so categories will be models that many to many field, and then we have category. Okay, got the categories. Now this server it will be like, each server will be in a category. So that's for the channel, and then let's put top here. Class server category. You can just put like browser or like browser, so you understand what's that for. So model. So of course, server category will have a title. Let's just copy this one. Paste it here, and let's put an icon. Let's put icons. That should be fine. And if you want to add slot, slot beyond. I don't think it. Yeah, never mind. We don't need it. We don't need it. Okay, so we got this. Let's just copy this function here. Okay, got the function. So we got categories, and now here, bottom, let's put server category. So this will be kind of like the type of server. For example, like gaming server, like community server, etc. So let's just make a foreign key. Oops. Let's make a foreign key of server category. Server category, and then here on lead cascade, and then here let's put no. Just put 2 for that. Okay. Let's copy this one. So here at the bottom. This is returning the title. Okay. So basically we got all the models for our server. Let's save that, and yeah. So in the next video we're going to start working with the serializer and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.